I took a break from the Twinkie. I've been neglecting Ellie, my motorhome. So I gave her a good bath today. She certainly needed it. So there she is, all sparkly white again. Nice and clean. Not bad for an old RV. How old? 23 years old. Not bad at all. Look at this tree, it's beautiful. Oh, it smells lovely. Watch out for the ruts. Oh, it smells so good. I don't know what kind of tree this is, but man, does it smell good. Look at that, beautiful. Well, I can't smell it up close, that's weird. Those are beautiful. Yeah, it's nice. Awesome little tree. Yes, it is springtime.